Hello everyone, welcome to MASA Military. The Taipei Aerospace and Defense Technology Exhibition was held from September 14th to the 16th. A total of 280 manufacturers exhibited this year, setting a record. Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense and the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology exhibited a total of 54 items, including weapons, equipment, and research and development results, the most eye-catching of which were various drones. NCSIST is a Taiwanese state-owned corporation which is active in the development, manufacturing, support, and sustainment of various weapon systems and dual-use technologies. Taiwan's domestic weapons are basically developed by NCSIST. In the summer of 2022, just a few months after Russia invaded Ukraine, Reuters reported that Taiwanese President Tsai Ing-wen convened senior officials of the ruling party in downtown Taipei to discuss how Ukraine can successfully resist Russia, a more powerful opponent. The 77-page briefing gives a clear answer: drones. But in terms of military drones, Taiwan lags far behind China, the country which has its eye on Taiwan. Taiwan needs an emergency plan to narrow the gap. In order to narrow the gap with the CCP, Taiwan has launched a strategic plan, the Drone National Team Program. On August 13, 2022, the Asia UAV AI Innovation Application R&D Center was officially opened in Chiayi County in southern Taiwan. According to a Taiwanese government planning document reviewed by Reuters, the goal is to build more than 3,200 military drones by mid-2024. These include mini drones weighing less than 4.4 pounds, as well as large reconnaissance drones. In the Russia-Ukraine war, both sides use a large number of loitering munition. Russia mainly has the Lancet 3 and Geranium 2, while Ukraine uses the American Switchblade 300 and 600, Phoenix Phantom, Domestic Ram 2, ST-35 Silent Thunder, and Polish Warmate. Taiwan used to have the Chien Hsiang anti-radiation loitering munition, and recently developed the Unveils Type 1 loitering munition based on the Switchblade drone. At this defense technology exhibition, the NCSIST showcased for the first time a model of the Unveils Type 2 loitering munition currently under development, as well as a vehicle-mounted launcher that can carry the 3 Unveils Type 2 at a time. The Type 1 loitering munition is a personal portable type. It can stay in the air for about 15 minutes and has an attack range of more than 6.2 miles. It is a weapon for individual combat. The volume and amount of warhead gunpowder of the Type 2 are several times larger than that of the Type 1. It can use imaging, infrared rays, and microwave seekers, plus AI guidance and control functions, to attack ground targets, armored vehicles, and various artillery. In addition to being vehicle-mounted, it is also planned to be airdropped. In the future, it can be deployed on large unmanned aerial vehicles, helicopters, and transport aircraft. The anti-radiation UAV tactical vehicle, released by the NCSIST, simulates the formation of a swarm of large numbers of Chien Hsiang UAVs and Type 2 loitering munitions to carry out saturation attacks on enemy aircraft strike groups. Then, the Shangfeng 3 anti-ship missile severely damages enemy aircraft carriers and warships. The Chien Hsiang is 40 inches long, 70 inches wide, and weighs 13.2 pounds with a maximum speed of 115 miles per hour. The Chien Hsiang series of drones have evolved from the initial anti-radiation type and enemy baiting type to satellite positioning attack and target image attack drones. The satellite positioning attack type is used to attack important fixed targets, including military bases and infrastructure, using multi-satellite positioning signals to achieve precise strike missions. It has the characteristics of fire and forget, all-weather combat, high lethality, long air endurance, and long range. As for the target image attack type, it expands its attack capabilities through image tracking. It is not limited to attacking radars, but can also attack fixed or moving targets. It can be operated manually or autonomously, operates day and night, has image guidance, long-range airborne and precision strike characteristics beyond visual range, and is equipped with an optical infrared seeker. The Chien Hsiang UAV has a maximum range of up to 1,000 kilometers, and can be on alert for a long time in the air. Once it finds a target, it will carry out a suicide attack. Therefore, Chien Hsiang is both an airplane and a missile. However, the Chien Hsiang drone cannot be recovered after it is launched. The Teng Yun UAV, which is very similar to the MQ-9, is a medium-high altitude long-range UAV. The appearance was revealed 4 years ago, but in the past few years, the NCSIST has completed the development of the cabin, the subsystems in the belly, and the mounted equipment. The Teng Yun drone has a guidance and control radius of 684 miles and a flight time of about 20 hours. Taiwan wants to develop it into an integrated reconnaissance and strike drone. The Teng Yun UAV uses the same TPE-331 turboprop engine as the U.S. military's MQ-9 UAV, and the rest of the entire aircraft is produced in Taiwan. It has the characteristics of satellite guidance and control, such as medium altitude, long endurance, and multiple payloads. It also has functions such as autonomous takeoff and landing, multiple guidance and control links, and ground-based network guidance and control. It can also carry electronic optical infrared synthetic aperture radar. Electronic reconnaissance and voice traffic control communication can provide remote real-time surveillance information and play an early warning. Teng Yun drones will initially use Taiwanese weapon systems, including 2.75-inch rockets and improved Sky Sword missiles. As for the sea attack mission, it is not ruled out that the air-launched Shengfeng 2 missile project will be restarted in the future. After the Shengfeng 2 missile is shrunk, it will be hung on a Teng Yun drone. Taiwan also has an Albatross UAV of the same level as Turkey's TB2. Taiwan has developed the Albatross 2 based on the old model. Its wingspan reaches 42.7 feet, exceeding the TB2. It is a long-range and long-endurance maritime search UAV. It combines artificial intelligence to achieve high-performance maritime intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance missions, and is equipped with optical infrared reconnaissance equipment, sea search radar, ship identification system, and more. The guidance and control distance of the previous generation Albatross was only 93 miles, while the Albatross 2 model has significantly increased its range to 186 miles with a flight time of up to 16 hours. In the future, it can fly longer and further with satellite guidance and control. The Albatross 2 model also has a place for a weapons rack, so weapons can also be used to perform attack missions in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support MASA Military. See you next time.